When cleaning your Tri-X filters, there are 4 options. First, turn off the power to your hot tub. Then, open the filter lid and remove the filter. Cleaning option 1, use a hose to rinse the filter. For cleaning option 2, use a filter spray or degreaser, then rinse with a hose. Option 3, soak the filter with filter spray or degreaser overnight, then rinse with a hose. Option 4, put the Tri-X filter in the dishwasher and run it without soap for a full cleaning cycle. Do not use the dry cycle. Now replace the filter and turn the power back on. Regular monthly cleaning will extend the life of your filter. When cleaning the filters, inspect for signs of wear and tear. If it's discolored or has worn rubber, it may need to be replaced.